So, so this is what we were discussing yesterday. So you have your network as Fi minus Fs, which is equal to W by G d square x, isn't it? That is Ma. And Ma can be written as W by G d square x. Alright?
Yes, sir.
So the first block I will take multiplier as Z by 2, Z by W, so that gives me discourage. Then I will take a multiplier, I will integrate first time by 1 by D, and then again second integration, that is 1 by D. So I get a response of X here. Now I am taking a feedback here and straight away giving to you. But now I have to accommodate K, that is spring stiffness. So I need to have a multiplier here, that is a block K here. Huh? It has been removed out, but you have to remember that you have to keep a block of K here, right?
Yes, sir.
Finally, all these components can be replaced by a single block, that is f of d. Uh, the f of d is nothing but the transfer function, and this is your input force, and this is response. So x by fi can be written as this, and this is what is called as block diagram representation. This is your
Okay, sir.
block diagram representation, and this is called the simple spring one. So similarly, you can draw or you can try your spring block diagram for your spring mass damper system. Spring mass damper system. Coming to the rules for the block diagram reduction. So if the elements are series, which we have already seen here, elements are in series. So it straight away gets multiplied. Like you have input disturbance of x. You now multiply here as a. So x into a, that is xa. Then you have another multiplier, that is b, so that's xab. Then third multiplier c, so y is equal to x into abc.
Yes, sir.
So that's your element in series. Second is elements in parallel. Now here these are the two elements which are in parallel. Hmm. These are the two elements which are in parallel. The two elements
Yes,
b,
sir.
a and b. Hmm. And these two elements are also in parallel. So here it is positive feedback and here it is negative feedback. So how do you find out the transfer function for this? Hmm? So if it is negative, then we call it as a negative feedback loop, and if it is a positive uh, signal, then we call this as a positive feedback loop. Hmm? So this is, you should not be confused with positive forward loop and negative forward loop. So this is you have to take care. Now let's write this uh, your input signal, that is x plus. That's a positive signal here. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let us assume that after summing point we get a signal of say c. After summing point, this is a summing point. We get a signal of c here, and if my response is y, because I assume my input as x, so if my response is y, so y can be written as y is equal to ca. Now forget about this, just concentrate here. So y will be written as is equal to c into a, hmm, using this rule, first rule. Now I am taking, now this is my takeoff point, so I am taking some feedback out of this point, so that is b. So what I am taking? I am taking y, isn't it? The takeoff
Yes,
point
sir.
is y. So over here, just before this block, I have y, isn't it? And just after
Ah,
this block, there will be YB. It will be YB.
Okay.
So YB goes here. YB goes here. Now what will be the value of C? So error C at the summing point can be written as x minus yb, x being positive and yb being negative. So x minus yb, right? So
Yes, sir.
c is equal to x minus yb. C is equal to x minus yb. Now this can be equated as, now from here if you see, c is equal to y upon a. Okay? So you can
Yes, sir.
equate x minus yb equal to y upon a. Therefore,
Okay.
x, now what we'll do, we'll take this yb over here on the right hand side. So it will be y upon a plus y into b. Out of that, now you take y common. So what you will get? You will get 1 by a plus b, right? In the bracket. Is this clear? That
Yes,
shape.
sir.
uh, So therefore, I can say x is equal to y into b plus a. Now what is my transfer function? Transfer function is nothing but y by x, isn't it? Transfer function is nothing but
Yes, sir.
y by x. So how do I write y by x? How I write y by x? I can write y upon x as 1 upon b plus ab. If I take this as a LCM, okay, so that will go up. So final transfer function for this will be y upon x is equal to a upon 1 plus ab. Is it clear? Like this.
Yes, sir.
Only instead of 1 minus ab, it will be 1 plus a. Now, what happens suppose if it is a positive feedback loop? Positive feedback loop. Everything remains same here. Everything remains same. Except,
Yes, sir.
except the signal is, feedback signal is positive. So I assume this as C here. So y is equal to C into a. I am taking off this signal from here. Okay. I'm giving it here. So just next to this I get yb. So now my C will be equal to what? This is positive and this was a positive. So C will be equal to x plus yb. C is equal to x plus yb. And that is equal to, from here now, y is equal to ca, so C is equal to y upon a. So x plus yb is equal to y upon a. So therefore x is equal to, I will take this term on the right hand side, that is equal to minus yb plus y upon a. Now out of this, if I take y common, hmm, then I will get minus b plus 1 upon a, minus b plus 1 upon a. Hmm. If I take a as a LCM, then it will be 1 minus ab. So y upon x will be equal to, y upon x will be equal to 1 upon 1 minus ab upon a, and that a will go on the top. Hmm.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is how we can represent for the positive feedback loop. So positive feedback loop, we can write transfer function like this. This is x, this is y, and this is the transfer function. So a upon 1 minus ab. So y upon x uh, is equal to, y upon x is equal to a upon 1 minus
1
ab.
minus AB.
Correct? Yeah, good. So
Yes,
that
sir.
was, because this is important from examination point of view, 10 marks question. Explain the rules for the block diagram reduction.
Okay, sir.
Now this first rule is very simple, that is elements in series. But now these are little difficult. So
Yes, sir.
maybe 1, 2, 3. Now let us consider this now. Positive forward loop. Positive forward loop. Positive forward loop. So how it is positive forward loop is, so this is a summing point. We have x here. So this is one element A. This is another element B.
Yes, sir.
Now, if this is my input signal is x, and this is a transfer function for element A. So this will be x into A, xa,
Yes, sir.
and plus. Similarly, now x has been taken here also. Hmm. This is what is called the positive forward loop.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So over here you will get xb. Now after the summing point, you will get y is equal to x into a plus b. Y is equal to x into a plus b because y is equal to xa plus xb, xa plus xb, and if you take x common, so x into bracket a plus b.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that was then you what is the transfer function here? The transfer function will be y upon x, response upon input, isn't it? So for positive forward loop, the transfer function will be y by x that is equal to a plus b, simple. Similarly for the negative forward loop में you, everything remains same, that is positive forward loop C, except this becomes instead of positive this becomes now negative.
Okay.
So this will be now y is equal to x a minus xb. So if you take x common, it will be a minus b.
B.
Alright, so they are easy to remember these four rules. Now I'll do some examples. This is what I was talking about. This is well written. Positive feedback and negative feedback. This.
Yes, sir.
ये है आपका पॉजिटिव फीडबैक, ये है आपका नेगेटिव फीडबैक. बराबर है. So here this is y, this is b, this is yb, this is x. So this becomes x minus yb और ये y हो रहा है. Then here this is positive, so this becomes, so finally you will get y upon x. In negative feedback it will be a upon 1 plus ab. In positive feedback it will be a upon 1 minus ab. Now positive forward loop and negative again rewritten here, well written. So this is your negative forward loop, your positive. Yeah. So finally, how to write this? How to combine this whole diagram like this? X is the input signal. This is what is my transfer function of the entire system, and here upon
Yes,
y.
sir.
So y is equal to, you can write it as y is equal to x into bracket a plus b, and similarly here पे y is equal to x into bracket a minus b.
Okay, sir.
There are some more rules now. You have to be careful here. Look carefully here, because in order to complete a target of 10, you will need these rules. So just have a look first. Moving a summing point behind the block. First, first concentrate on this. Moving
Yes, sir.
summing point behind the block. So moving a summing point. This is summing point. This is block. Moving a summing point behind the block. यहाँ पे moving summing point beyond the block. So this is a summing point beyond the block. ठीक है, beyond the block में
Yes, sir.
इसके आगे. So have a look. And then the two more, that is moving takeoff point behind the block. Takeoff point is this. If you want to move this from here to here, what changes you need to do? And moving takeoff point beyond the ball. If from here you want to move to this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's have a look. So if I want to shift the timing point behind the ball, how do I do it?
You have shifted and divided by the same term.
Yeah, yes, good, good. So here it is now. Huh? How to describe it so that the examiner also understands. Say, let's say this is a block here. This is input signal. Hmm. This is a output that is a R. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
And there is one more signal that is Y coming over here, summing point, right? Hmm. And it's a let's assume that it's a positive signal, right? So obviously R is equal to going to be X into Z plus Y. R is equal to X Z plus Y. So now whether the summing point is here or here, uh, the output R should remain same. R should remain same as X Z plus Y. So
Yes,
it
sir.
should not affect this. So what we have done now, 7 point was shifted, you know, behind the block. So here, as you rightly, pointed out that we have added a block of 1 by G here. Hmm.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so now here, what do you get? X plus 1 by Gy, as you can see here, X plus 1 by G. Hmm. Now, if you want to, check here, so again this whole bracket will be multiplied by G. So that will become xg plus this g and this g will get cancelled. So you will get xg plus y.
Yes, sir.
Now you cannot do trial and error. So at one go, suppose if you want to find out, so how do I do? Hmm, my output should remain same. That is this xg plus y, isn't it? Xg plus y.
Yes, sir.
So my unknown, I just put a question mark here. Hmm, This is a multiplier. So here I am going to get x and plus something from here. That is something is nothing but the question mark or some unknown. M bolo, n bolo, whatever you want to assume. So x plus question mark, bracket complete into g. That's going to be same xg plus y.
Yes, sir.
So now you have to just make this question mark as a subject. Keep it on the left hand side and see uh, what the value you are getting. So open the bracket, so you will get xg and question mark g. तो पहला आप g को इधर लेके आओ, so this g will get cancelled, so you will get and x will also get cancelled, isn't it? So this is y into 1 by g. Similarly, now if you want to shift the summing point beyond the block, you have a 7 point here. Now, what is the earlier output? Earlier output is say x plus y into g, x plus y into z.
Yes, sir.
I want to shift this now summing point beyond the block. My input signal remains the same, that is x. See here, I am adding a block here. My output should remain the same. So here I get xj plus plus.
Yes, sir.
I don't know the value of this, so I just put a question mark here into y. Then that should be equal to this x plus y into j. So if you open this bracket, xg and this hg will get cancelled. Then y and y will also get cancelled. So the question mark, this unknown, will be nothing but g. Unknown will be nothing but g.
G.
Now the next is moving takeoff point beyond a block. That is, you want to move the takeoff point, that is this, behind a block. That is, earlier here is this, now you want to move this to this.
Yes, sir.
Now just see, check. So what modification has been done here? Now here this is x and j, so y is equal to x into z.
Yes, sir. So they have directly added it on the takeoff point only. So the
Exactly. Huh? So is the output going to remain the same here?
uh, so the output might change, I think.
But the output should remain same, no? If you are adding a block here.
So that will depend on the summing point also, no?
See now the output is here. Y is equal to x. This is my output, no? Takeoff
Yes, sir.
point. Now here there is no more takeoff. Understand, no?
Okay.
There's
Okay.
no takeoff here. Forget about this now. I said.
अच्छा.
So x is
Okay.
going here. This block is here. Okay, यहाँ से हम लोग सीधा निकाल रहे हैं और एक block है. See earlier what was my output here? Y is equal to xg, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now in this case, हम लोग क्या किया now? The takeoff point यहाँ पे shift किया. हाँ.
हाँ.
And then if I want the same output, then I need to add a block here g. So I get y is equal to
Okay.
xg.
Okay.
Now suppose if it is beyond block, you have to move takeoff point beyond block.
Yes, sir.
Beyond block. Beyond mean आगे.
हाँ. Yes, sir.
So now earlier my takeoff is here. So y is equal to x. Output is y is equal to xg. Now I shifted my takeoff point here. I must get my output y is equal to x only. So यहाँ पे अभी क्या किया मैंने 1 by g एक block add किया.
Okay. हाँ.
Okay, so y is equal to xg is this. So takeoff.
हाँ.
I can take
Divide हो
off
जाएगा.
here 1 by g. Okay, so 1 by g into xg, that is nothing but the x.
Yes, sir.
Now, remember the difference now. Here it is moving takeoff point
Before.
behind block and beyond block. Now here it is shifting takeoff point after summing point.
Okay.
Shifting takeoff point after the summing point. That is, this is my takeoff point. X is equal to R1.
Yes, sir.
And this I need to shift it here.
Okay.
So let's say now R1 is the input signal. X is equal to R1. This is there is one more signal here, and finally, what is the output here? That is
R
R1 plus or minus y.
Y1.
Correct? R1 plus or minus y. Now why plus or minus? Because in order to consider both the possibilities, y1 can be positive as well as y1 can be negative also. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So in order to consider both the possibilities.
So can R1 also be positive or negative?
Yeah, R1 also can be positive and negative. Yes,
Okay.
sure. That is also possible. So you can write there plus or minus.
Okay, sir.
So R1 plus or minus 1. Here you have R1 and you have a Y1 here. Okay. So takeoff point has been taken from here to here. And that is this. So what has been done here now? This Y1 we are taking it here. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
But we are,
Change the sign.
yeah, we are change the sign. That means,
Plus के
yeah, we have
plus.
inverted the signal.
Yes, sir.
Y1 signal को invert किया है.
हाँ.
So for that you need to fix up one inverter there. वहाँ
Okay.
पे आपको एक
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, we'll continue.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so now here we have to place an inverter. So this is clear now. Huh? So the inverter will invert the sign. There
So
is
the screen is not displayed.
okay. I am not present today. It's visible no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, connectivity issue. Now this is the inverter. We place it here, and which will invert the sign, positive to negative. And now you have this C1 as R1. See now here it is R1, which is positive, and plus R minus. y1. We are taking off from here. This is summation point. One more. So at the end, what we are going to get? Like suppose if we have plus y1 coming here, we will have minus y1. So plus y1 and minus y1 will get cancelled, and we will have r1. And same with negative and positive. So at the end, you are going to get x is equal to r1, isn't it? And this is what we want, isn't it? This
Yes, sir.
shifting takeoff after the 7th point. Here you take off point after the 7th point. So we want r1 only, so we are getting r1 only. Now
Yes, sir.
shifting the takeoff point before the summing point. So you have a takeoff point here, which is x is equal to r1 plus or minus y1. That is, we have r1 here, this is your y1, and c1 is equal to r1 plus or minus y1. Now for this, what modifications we are doing? Shifting the takeoff point before summing point. Look at this diagram.
Uh,
This diagram is better than this. This diagram is same, only little nicely drawn.
okay, sir.
So this is again same shifting the takeoff point before the summing point. That is, this point has been shifted before the summing point. This.
Yes, sir.
So here I should get x is equal to r1 plus or minus r1. So I am getting same x is equal to. So what modification has been done? No inverter. This is y1. So y1 is going here. And we have r1 coming here. So we get r1 x is equal to r1 plus or minus y1. This is what we
Yes, sir.
okay. So these were the rules.
Yes, sir.
Any 10 rules you can give. Now we will see the application of this block diagram reduction. This so we have seen already, isn't it? Fi and summation of fx, and then this is your fs, and then
Yes, sir.
w1 by w. This is already seen.
Ha.
Okay, this is done. So now let us see block diagram reduction. How to apply to the spring mass damping system. So you have a spring here and the damper which has been attached to a block. So there is the input disturbance of Fi. The block moves up and down, and there will be response here, that is X. The damper is to reduce the vibrations. So the damping force will be in this direction, the spring force will be in this direction, the disturbance is in downward direction. Disturbance is in downward direction. This force and this force are in upward direction. So the summation of F, we know by this time that it is going to be Fi minus F, F and Fs. What is the FF? FF is damping force, that is nothing but CDX. And what is your spring force? That is nothing but KX. And
Yes,
this
sir.
gives you net force, which is going to be equal to W by A, that is M into A. M is nothing but mass, that is equal to weight upon G. A is nothing but second derivative of the displacement. So we are writing it as d square of x, d square x.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we have a set of equations ready, so we will fit it into block diagram. We fit it into block diagram. So how do I fit it? So you can either try in one go, or you can have one more trial also.
Okay, sir.
So we'll draw first this summing point. Then this is my Fi, that is input force. Okay. Then I have shown one FF here, FF negative, hmm? negative
Yes,
F.
sir.
So over here I will get Fi minus FF, Fi minus FF.
FF.
Now this Fi minus FF has been paid here. Okay, and I have one more input here. So there are two summing points. That means I have one more input here. That is say Fs. Hmm? Say Fs.
Yes, sir.
So over here I will get Fi minus Ff minus Fs. Fi minus Ff minus Fs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is going to be equal to net force, that is W by G d square x. So my first block will be G by W, then first integration, then second integration, and I get x. Okay. Now this x I have to multiply by k, that is nothing but the spring stiffness. So it will be k into x, that is nothing but Fs. So Fs is equal to kx, right? So ये यहाँ से it will come to this block. Similarly, now my Ff is cdx. Ff is cdx, isn't it? So how
Yes,
to
sir.
get that cdx? So if you look here carefully, so over here I am getting dx. See, here you have w by g d square x multiplied by g by w, so you will get d square x here, then 1 by d, so you will get dx, then again multiply by 1 by d, so you will get x. Now concentrate over here. You have got dx here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now this you can take off from here, dx, and you can have a constant multiplier of c over here. So you can say c dx, c dx,
Okay.
right? And then you can either see, and there are two ways, आप यहाँ से भी ऐसा दिखा सकते हो इधर, okay? Or if you want to avoid this summing point, if you want to just show only one summing point, that is also fine. Fine. Huh? Understand? No? So you can do
Yes,
it
sir.
here. You can show here also effect. Huh? You can show at one summing point itself. You can take one more from here and you can ऐसा cross करके ऐसा you can show it here. Nothing wrong. You can show one more here. Huh? As long as it is clear. So either you can take it like this, the loop can be taken up like this, or the loop can be taken up like this also. ऐसा यहाँ से भी
Okay, sir.
इधर भी दिखा सकते हो. Now we will apply the rules of block diagram reduction and we will see whether I am going to get this transfer function. ये जो transfer function था, जो earlier by simultaneous equation method we had got. By simultaneous equation method, if you remember, we had got this transfer function, that is x upon fi is equal to 1 by k divided by 1 plus cd upon k plus w by g d square upon k. This is what we had got. So
Yes, sir.
just see now how to get this. Huh? Now forget about this now. Forget about this. Forget about this. Forget about this also. Just concentrate this C. Okay. And this there is one summing point here. There are these many blocks here, and you have one more block here. Okay. So the very first thing is what I can do is I can club these two blocks. These two blocks I can. Hmm. Now I am applying the rules of block diagram reduction. So let me plug these two blocks now. So this becomes now G by W into 1 by D, so that is G by WD. Okay. Now here the block diagram reduction it's getting laborious because every time you have to go on reducing the blocks and every time you need to redraw the diagrams. So that's why it is laborious. See now this
Yes,
is
sir.
original diagram, that is 1, and then this is my second diagram, number 2. So I have put these two blocks and written as this, so G by WD. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I have one more block in parallel here, correct?
Yes,
And
sir.
you click a block head that is after 1 by D. Hmm? I cannot touch here. Hmm? This K can be taken here or it can be taken here also. You can have one summing point here or this K can be taken up here also. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So now which rule will apply here? So this is negative. Now what we will do? We will combine these two. Okay, these two. They are in parallel, and it's negative. So remember the rules of negative feedback. What do you get the transfer function? A upon 1 plus AB, isn't it? A
Yes, sir.
transfer function is A upon 1 plus AB. Now here you should not do mistake. A is this and B is this. A is this and B is this. You have to
Okay.
be careful. Huh? उल्टा होगा तो फंस जाएंगे.
हाँ.
So this is A and this is B. So look now what has happened. ये जो पूरा है this I can replace by this A upon 1 plus AB. So A, that is G by WD, upon 1 plus G by WD into C, that is 1 plus GC upon WD. If you take LCM WD तो it will become WD plus GC और नीचे WD आ जाएगा. ऊपर ऑलरेडी आपका क्या है, G by WD है, तो WD will get cancelled and you will get this G upon WD plus GC. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Basic algebra.
क्या सर?
Basic algebra, no?
हाँ, yes, sir.
Now this whole thing has been replaced by this one block. Now again you need to draw the diagram. So this is your third diagram. Right here. So in third diagram again, uh, it is, if you can show one summing point, it is better. Why better? Because now you can eliminate this and now you are left only with one summing point, that is this. Alright. Instead of showing K here, I shown it here. चलता है. So now you have a summing point here. You have this block, and you have K. So this is my third diagram. अभी third diagram में क्या आएगा? I can multiply this because these two elements are in series, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So it will be G upon WD plus GC into D. बराबर है. So this is my
हाँ.
fourth diagram. ये मेरा चौथा डायग्राम है. अभी चौथा डायग्राम में क्या आएगा? ये एक ब्लॉक, this is only one block, plus another block in parallel, and you have a summing point here. So this will be now negative, and this will be now two blocks in parallel. Two blocks in parallel. Is it?
Okay.
So two blocks in parallel means again you have to apply that transfer function is A upon 1 plus AB. Now what is your A? A is nothing but this. G upon WD plus GC into D, and B is nothing but this. So this whole thing will be in numerator, and you can cancel numerator denominator के साथ upon 1 plus A into B. 1 plus A into B means क्या? ये पूरा into B. So आपको G के मिल जाएगा. So and then you take LCM. ठीक है. फिर न्यूमरेटर का नीचे का पोर्शन और डिनोमिनेटर का नीचे का पोर्शन will get cut, and finally that is nothing but your x upon fm. Nothing but the transfer function. Got it?
Yes, sir.
I'll upload this. I think we can stop here.
Okay, sir.
And then if you want, you can practice this. And once I upload, you have paper and pen?
Yeah, I have.
Can you write on this? Because this will be something
Yeah,
interesting to do. W is equal to x minus y. V is equal to w minus z.
One.
Z into s plus 6 is equal to v into s plus 2. This is S for Singapore.
Okay.
Then this is y into s square plus 6x plus 8 is equal to z. So you just try whether you can do this, block diagrams.
Okay, sir. So it is y is.
This is w is
So,
equal to x minus y.
no. The last one is y into s square
Y
plus
into
6s plus.
s square, s for Singapore.
Okay, plus 6s plus.
6x plus 8, that's equal to z.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Try that. Right?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.